Let's take a look at grouping objects and text in Canva. Start by opening a design that contains multiple objects you'd like to group. In my example, there are 6 individual objects. There is the background, the flowers, the thank you, group of hearts, and the text and background. Another way to highlight all separate items in a design is to hit Ctrl+A. This highlights everything on the page. Alternatively, you can identify the items by clicking and dragging your mouse over the entire page, which highlights each object as you move over it. Both methods are quick and efficient for selecting the elements you want to group. You can also view each individual object by opening the Layers tab in the Position menu. To use the Group tool, you'll need to select at least 2 objects. These can be any combination of text, images, shapes, or other design elements. Once you've highlighted the items you want to group, a toolbar will appear with the Group option. Simply click on it to group the selected objects. Additionally, in the same toolbar, you'll find 3 dots. Clicking on them opens a drop-down menu, where the Group option is also available. If you look to the right of Group in the drop-down menu, you'll see a shortcut listed, Ctrl+G. You don't need to access the drop-down menu to use this shortcut. Simply press Ctrl+G whenever you have items highlighted. For Mac users, the equivalent shortcut is Command+G. To ungroup, click Ungroup in the toolbar. You can use Shift, Ctrl, and G, even though Canva does not have it as an option. Sometimes, when you try to click on an item to group, you can't get at it. I want to group my text with its purple background, but I end up highlighting the hearts and not getting to the text and background. It's buried in behind the hearts. To get to the text and purple background, click Position. With the Layers panel open, I can click on the text, hold Shift, and click on the background layer to highlight, and then click Group on the toolbar. Be sure to incorporate grouping into your workflow. You'll notice the improvement. Let me know if you give it a try and how it's working for you. Thanks for watching.